Let me see you eat your guy.
Brayden just likes, I feel like, more of the breaking them apart.
Yeah.
Okay, eat it now.
Make sure all the shell's off there, sweetie. It's all good. No shell on there. Okay, go ahead. Take a bite.
Everyone, ready, set, go.
Egg biting challenge.
It's so really good. It's on.